Hey, sixth grade, Mr. Brummel here. Wanted to give you a quick few reminders on your project for the Great Lakes region. And I'm looking at what we posted on Google Classroom the other day. And so we have the instructions, we have the text, and then we have a copy of your actual project. Just quickly looking at this, before you turn anything in, I'm hopeful that you're going to actually go through and take a peek at how you're graded, go slide by slide and ask yourself, do I have these points? Did I use bullet points? Did I identify 2 problems and 2 solutions? And so be specific, and I'll show you an example of what I'm hoping to see in just a minute. So check over this carefully, and then your written summary as well. We're not looking for anything crazy, but 8 to 10 sentences kind of summarizing what we're doing and why we took time with this project. If you get to this part and you are totally stuck, that's when you can check with Mrs. Veld or myself, and we will try to help you. So those are the instructions. Remember, the text is right there. You should be on these pages. So if you're doing pollution, you should be on the section about pollution. And then I took a few minutes just to show you a good example, a bad example, just to kind of help you check your work. So I started working on one over here on the left, the problems. I wrote, there are a lot of different invasive species in the Great Lakes. This would be incomplete until you put something like an example of this may include, and try to kind of finish that thought. Don't leave details out. This is your opportunity to kind of show us what you've learned. I also put one over here. This kind of did the same thing. Use this to help you watch this video. If you have questions, make sure you're checking in before you turn anything in today. And then lastly, our hope is that this is done by Monday. And so today is your last day in the lab, so you really want to get after things and make sure you're asking questions now if you get stuck. Have a great day and go whoa.